Every Node.js project has a package.json file, but many developers treat it as just a formality. It's actually the control center of your entire application. First, package.json defines your project's identity. It contains metadata like the project name, version number, description, author, and license. This information is crucial when you publish packages to npm or share your code with others. The most important role is dependency management. Package.json lists all external libraries your project needs in two categories. Dependencies are packages required for your app to run in production, like Express or React. Dev dependencies are tools only needed during development, like testing frameworks or build tools. When someone clones your project and runs npm install, this file ensures they get the exact same packages you're using. Package.json also defines npm scripts, which are shortcuts for common tasks. Instead of typing long commands, you can run npm start, npm test, or npm build. These scripts can chain together multiple commands, making your workflow faster and more consistent across your team. It enables reproducible installs through version specifications and lock files. This means your app behaves the same on every developer's machine and in production. It also specifies your app's entry point with the main field, telling Node which file to run when your package is imported. Package.json is your Node project's blueprint, defining its identity, managing dependencies, automating tasks, and ensuring consistency. Master this file, and you'll master Node project configuration. Practice explaining this in your next interview. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.